Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you methods used for preventing the separation of boundary layer. So friends, let's start. Friends, first is the streamlining body. Friends, this is a spherical body which is without streamline. Friends, when fluid or when sphere moves in the leftward direction, because of this velocity the fluid goes in in rightward direction like this, and because of this large wakes are formed. To avoid the Because of this large wake there is a boundary layer separation occurs. To avoid this, friends, we need to make a body streamlined. To understand this, friends, this is a aerofoil which is a streamlining body. Friends, this aerofoil moves in this direction. Because of this flow of the fluid or air in this case in the rightward direction here as this, and because of the streamlined shape of this aerofoil, there is at the end there is a small wake formation occurs. This is a small wakes at the uh, end of the aerofoil. And friends, because of streamlining, the point of separation of boundary layer is as far as possible occurs as far as possible on the downstream. That is, downstream means here this is upstream, friends, and this is a downstream here. So as far as possible it is shifted, and due to this wake due to small or narrower wake region, pressure drag gets reduced. Small wake, due to small wake generation, pressure drag reduced. Next is, friends, artificial roughness. Friends, for this to understand this, we can take example of a golf ball which has a roughness on its surface. Suppose, friends, this is a artificial roughness on a sphere. Suppose, friends, this spherical body which has artificial roughness moves in the leftward direction, then the fluid moves in the rightward direction, and because of this, friends, small wake formation occurs at the downstream, and there is prevention from boundary layer separation. One more thing, friends, due to this there is change of the laminar boundary layer to the turbulent boundary layer. Friends, next is slot near the leading edge. Friends, if there is no slot on this body, there is possibility of detachment of the boundary layer from the surface of the body. To avoid this, friends, we can make a slot near the leading edge of the body. Because of this is a slot, friends. Because of this slot, there fluid remains attached to this body for its entire length. Next is, friends, suction slot. To avoid the boundary layer separation in the body, friends, the point where the separation occurs, that in that part we can make a slot like this. Because of this, friends, fluid which loses its kinetic energy, or which has a zero velocity, we can say which has a velocity equal to, sorry friends, which has velocity gradient du upon dy is equal to 0, that layer sucked in this slot. Because of this, then further layers of the further layers of the fluid remains attached to the boundary layer, attached to the surface of the body, because and there is a prevention of the boundary layer separation. Next is friends, blowing additional energy. Friends, in this case or in this prevention method, the point where the separation of boundary layer occurs, or where the velocity becomes 0, that is du upon dy is equal to 0, at that point there is a slot, we can say, and inside that slot there we provide a blower. Here it is a blower, and this blower forces the fluid from this slot like this in this direction, and because of this blowed or forced fluid, this retarded, or you can here this retarded, the fluid which retards here gets the velocity, and because of this because of this gained velocity, the boundary layer separation does not occur in this case. Next is friends, guide vanes or splitter vanes. Friends, we can provide a guide vanes like this in the elbow or in the pipe to avoid the separation. Because of these guide vanes, the flow will be guided in a particular direction, and there is a prevention of the boundary layer from separation. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.